Green, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valparaiso, Crown Point, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Winfield, Camps, Boone Grove, and Malden. This includes Valparaiso University and Porter County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. The severe thunderstorm